Want to update your display name in Cisco Webex? Whether you've changed your name, want a more professional display name, or simply need to correct a typo, the process is quick and easy. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to change your name in Cisco Webex. So yeah, let's get started. First, open Cisco Webex in your web browser or desktop app and sign in to your account. Once you're on the home screen, click your profile picture or profile icon, usually located in the top corner of the screen. Next, select My Profile, or Account Settings, depending on your version of Webex. Here you'll find your personal account information, including your current display name. Click the Name field and enter your updated first name, last name, or display name. If you're using a company-managed Webex account, these fields may be locked and managed by your organization's administrator. After updating your name, click Save or Update to apply the changes. Your new display name should appear across Webex meetings, chats, and your profile. You know, in some organizations, updates may take a little time to sync across all services. If you don't see an option to edit your name, your Webex account is likely managed by your company, school, or organization. In that case, you'll need to contact your IT administrator to request a name change. I mean, this is completely normal for organization-managed accounts. And that's how to change your name in Cisco Webex in 2026. Whether you're updating your profile or correcting your display name, it only takes a few steps. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.